Hello. I would like to show you how I fixed the Zippo candle lighter. I've had trouble with these. You can look in the end. I don't know if I can get this on video or not, but you can. If you flip it, you can see the piezo lighter inside, which I can't on camera in this video. So you can see the lighter lighting, but the fuel for some reason is not coming through. And I don't know if you can see it on here, but I have full fuel. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to take this apart and unplug the tube so that you can put it back together and then have it usable again. So bear with me. I'm not really good at making videos, so I'm not really good at videoing. So, but the way I take it apart is this end piece comes off. I think I can get it off, yeah. Pull it off. Save it there. Then it has, focus is bad. There you go. There's 2 screws in the end there. Let me take those out next. Just zip those out real quick. I'll put them away in my storage over here so I don't lose another one. My girlfriend bought 3 of these. Neither one of them worked, they were all plugged. So I got to fiddle with it and I took it apart and thought I'd make this video. I'm sorry, not the best videographer. But I think it will be helpful. Trying to get the screws out. There. Okay. Alright, now this end piece just comes off and there's 2 rubber gaskets that go around the inner cylinder right here. And there's a restraining clip that keeps you from adjusting it too far. Because I've experienced if you adjust it too far, the fluid will come out of the bottom, and that's kind of bad. Okay, so now if we just push in the button here, we can pull out the top, pull out like this. Now we have 2 pins right in there, which come out real easy with a certain size screwdriver. One of the hardest things was trying to figure out what tools would actually work to get this done. So push that one out like that. That one out like that. This is the 3rd one I've done, so there may be a more professional way to do this. I'm just letting you know the way I did it, and I was successful. There we go. Is that it? Here. Oh, it only comes out one way. Let's try this way. Okay, now I can pull this top off like that. And right here's a piezo starter, which I haven't had any trouble with that. It's always been the tube or something get plugged from bad gas, I suppose. So now we're going to take off this button so that we can get the whole case off. And the way that comes off is, I need this one. I'm going to stick that in that edge down that groove down there. Just pry up a little bit. Actually, I'll use a little bit bigger one. Oops. These usually just pop off. This one is not popping off. It's connected over here also. Okay, there, I got it off. You can just see how it's got 3 tabs that go in there. Plank that off. Move that over there. Now I can get the whole thing off. Goes off. Oops. Push that back in. There, goes off the top like this. And so now what I do is I take this thing off. And it comes off. You have to slide it up. And it pops out. Okay. What I've noticed is this little tang. This little tang right here. Ugh, work. That little tang gets bent up to where it won't open the valve very well. And so what I'm also doing is taking out this hose that runs along here, cutting this tape, and I'm removing the hose and wiggle around my fingers. I don't take the hose completely off, but I wiggle around my fingers and work the plug out of it, and then it starts working. So